to the next set of braces would you do on, say, level ground? I know it's going to be different with your terrain and your soil.
Sure. We recommend that you can actually tension up to 1/4 mile at a time with high tensile fence. Standard operating procedure would be 2 rolls of wire, which are 330 feet apiece, which is 660 foot brace to brace. And you can actually tension high tensile fixed knot fence 1/4 mile, so that eliminates a brace every 1/4 mile. So in a mile of fence, straight line fence, you're going to eliminate 4 braces in a mile.
Okay.
So that's the cost of materials, cost of labor, and time to build 4 braces eliminated from your fence job.
Okay, what about post in that stretch? How many posts are we talking about? How far apart are the posts?
In general, we'll recommend up to 25-foot post spacing. And that's with standard pressure in a pasture situation. There are going to be situations like holding pens, traps, where you're going to crowd animals in, that you're going to have to adjust that spacing down a little bit. And you're going to have to be more selective on your wire type. On a normal pasture fence, you can generally use a 12-inch fence, which is more economical than, say, a 6-inch. And I'm talking about the spacing of the verticals. 6-inch fence is going to be heavier, steel sold by weight. So the heavier the wire roll, the more money you're going to pay for it. But if you get up into a trap or a holding pen situation, you got to consider moving that spacing down to a smaller spacing.
Right, because you got more pressure on the fence.